Etsy is a massive online marketplace with millions of people coming in through their doors and through their site on a monthly basis. It's my absolute favorite marketplace to start out on, especially if you don't have a brand and you don't have a following. Let's have a quick look at why I feel Etsy is the best place to start.
Why Etsy? There are 3 main reasons why I feel Etsy is the best place to start. Number 1, traffic. Etsy pulls in millions of people to their page on a monthly basis. No need to spend money on Facebook or Google Ads. You don't have to work feverishly on your social media site to bring in your customers. Etsy does a great job bringing in top-notch customers to you daily. They have a great algorithm and SEO system to help you get your products seen without having to spend loads of money. Number 2, Etsy remits sales tax in some states. Head to the link in the description to check if your state is on this list. If it is, you do not need to worry about sales tax, as Etsy will take care of that for you. If your state is not on this list, then I highly recommend a reputable website called TaxJar.com. This will help you understand your sales tax rules in your state. Number 3, the low upfront cost. Etsy only charges 20 cents per listing and only charges fees when you start making sales. Let's talk about the Etsy fees. First, there are no yearly or monthly shop fees. Like I said before, it's 20 cents per item listing fee. These listings last 4 months. Etsy will then charge a final value fee, which is 5% on the total sale, including shipping. Etsy also charges a payment processing fee, and within the US, it's 3% of the total sale price, plus 25 cents per transaction. And finally, for every sale you make, they will charge another 20 cents to automatically renew that listing for you.
Now that we've learned why Etsy's the best place to start out, let's go over some rules before opening your shop so that you are aware. Etsy can and will and has the right to shut down your shop at any time for the following reasons.
I don't want this to scare you into not starting your own Etsy shop, as I do feel like this is something that we can avoid together, and I will help teach you what you shouldn't do when starting out. One of the number 1 causes for Etsy to shut down your shop is for you to have copyright infringement. They will also not give you a chance to fix the problem. They just will deem you as someone who's fraudulent. You also won't be able to start it with a different email account. They can trace it back to you. So I highly recommend that you do not start out on this foot with Etsy. They are not very forgiving. Extortion, which is to bribe or threaten your customers into leaving a positive review on your shop or products. Too many open case reports in a short span of time. Too many bad reviews. Not paying your Etsy fees, selling products that are against policy, getting your shop reported. There's several more reasons why they can shut down your shop at any time. Also, if you have multiple Etsy stores that sell the same thing, they don't like that too much either, and they can shut down all of your shops without notice. We will discuss copyright infringement a little bit more, as I will teach you what you shouldn't do and how to start your Etsy shop the correct way. I also highly recommend that you keep up with Etsy's seller's guide, because it's the holy grail of Etsy, and it really gives a lot of tips and tricks beyond this course that I cannot help you with. You will find the seller's guide in the description.